Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrencies to an external wallet using Gemini. Let's get straight into the video. First method is through the online transfer, and the process is quite simple. First thing you got to do is to access your Gemini account online, and once you sign into your account, click on withdraw or transfer to start the transfer process. And then just choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and then next you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Of course, that's the external wallet address, and then just enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. And lastly, you need to review the transfer details and confirm the transfer. Now for the second method, which is mobile app transfer, the process is also quite simple. First thing you got to do is to access the Gemini app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap withdraw to start the transfer process. And next you got to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and then enter the recipient's wallet address, and that of course is the external wallet address. Then just enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and once you're done with that, review the transfer details and confirm the process. Now a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first of course is to double check the recipient's wallet address. So you want to ensure that the recipient's wallet address is correct to avoid transferring cryptocurrencies to, of course, the wrong person. Now second, you need to understand the transfer fees associated with transferring cryptocurrencies to an external wallet, just so you know what they're going to charge you and what to expect. And thirdly, you want to monitor the transfer status to ensure that the transfer is processed successfully. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer cryptocurrencies to an external wallet using Gemini. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.